What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'll be showing you how to fix lag in Honor of Kings. So if you're looking for a way to get better connection or just get better MS or ping here for Honor of Kings, well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you are playing on the correct region or where you currently are. So you want to go and click on your signal button at the top right of your screen first, and you should see your current ping or MS. So in your current ping here, so mine is quite stable. It's 19 ms as of this moment, so I can play pretty well here with that specific ping. Now, if you notice that it's increasing like 200 ms consistently here, you might be on a different region, so you may need to check that. So you want to click on the gear icon at the top right here, and you want to go and choose the option that says player support in your basic settings, and you want to go and choose changing region. Now, by the way, some of the assets or some of the skins and heroes may not be available in that region, so keep that in mind. So if you're changing regions and you bought something recently that is not yet published in that region, so you go and choose your region here and choose the country that you want to transfer your content or your account. Like for example, you may want to transfer this to Singapore. Go and click on next and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to change your region. Now, changing regions, or if you're in a different region from where you are, this can increase your lag or your ping, which in turn will not allow you to play properly during matches. So just make sure you're in the correct region. Now, another thing that you could do here is to change a few things on your mobile settings. So here in your mobile device, what you need to do is you want to guarantee that you have a pretty stable connection. So the ping itself, there is directly connected to your ping. So maybe try using your a Wi-Fi connection if you're using mobile data, or vice versa. Use your mobile data here instead of your Wi-Fi connection and see if that helps. Because sometimes the problem itself is going to be your internet connectivity or your signal here. Now also, whenever you're playing here, just make sure that any VPN devices or VPN software is turned off in your mobile device. Now, VPNs are really great for securing your account or securing your connection, but they also slow down your internet connectivity. So turning off VPN can help you as well. Now, another thing you could do here, or the last thing that you could try doing, is just to make sure they have the latest version of the app. So you want to open up the Google Play Store here, and you want to look for Honor of Kings, and just make sure that you have the latest version. Now, if you do not have the latest version, you should see the update button here. Go ahead and press on it and just wait for it to update. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.